subjects, my loyal, royal subjects, forever and ever, and ever and ever and ever. You time before I will fight the fight and win the war for your love, for your grace. I'll love you till my dying days. When you're gone, I'll come back. So don't throw away the things you have. When push comes to shove, I will kill your friends and family to remind you of my love. Da 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 da. Look at it! Look at it! Da 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 da. Wait for it! Everybody, all step.
Good morning, it's Crafting Journey. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and Tammy, Marissa's sister, Crafty Heifer's sister, is in the kitchen cooking sausage, biscuits, and gravy, and everybody's asleep. I think they stayed up till the wee hours of the morning. I'm going to show you the mess that was left behind last night. So here's where I was sitting, and to my surprise, someone was working on my painting last night, which is kind of cool. They were working on the dragon breath. There's Jennifer's station, Crashley, Billy. Look at that, TSA. Oh, so pretty. It's a Lizzie. You can tell it's a Lizzie. There's the eye. We got the pen station all cleaned up. Then over here, we're all nicely separated, so we're not on top of each other. Tina sits here. This is Care Bear. She's trying to finish this thing up, bless her heart. Look how pretty that is. She's adding all of these sparklers into it. And then over here, I forget who sits here. And Mystery is over here, working on an art dot. Cute. Hey, good morning. Somebody's selling scarves and hats. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at this one. I gotta make me one like this. That's pretty. This thing has you go upstairs. There's rooms up there. Ah, there's our hostess with the mostess. Good morning. Here's one of the miniatures somebody was working on. It's dark in here. Some more stations. Look at all these gorgeous paintings. Oh, somebody's working on Shepherd's Cottage. This must be Marissa's. Marissa. You gotta finish this thing, girl. Oh, this is Elizabeth's station. This is a Distracted by Diamonds painting. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's Oranda Goldfish Puffy Gator 2020. Oh, cute. There's the kitchen. There's our hostess. This is Amanda's station. That's beautiful. She's working on this for her daughter. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, hold on. It's a Diamond Art Club. It's that one there. Oh, I gotta see that one when it's done. Here's another one. This is Melissa's. So nice. So that is the Saturday morning update. I'll see you guys soon.